4 income streams every creator needs are the foundation of a creator business that can actually grow. Over the past few years, I've built my own creator business using multiple income streams, and one thing that I've learned is that you don't need to build them all at once. Rather, you need to build them strategically. If I was starting from zero in 2026, my goal would be to build toward 4 different income streams, one at a time, in the right order. Because when these income streams work together, you're not relying on just one brand deal, one client, or one viral video to make money. In this video, I'm breaking down the 4 income streams every creator needs and the roadmap that I would follow if I had to start over today. The first income stream worth focusing on is UGC, or user-generated content. UGC is actually how I make the majority of my income today, and I've worked with over 300 brands across a variety of niches, including companies like Pizza Hut, Black & Decker, NerdWallet, Coinbase, and so many more. And the reason that I think UGC is such a powerful place to start is because it has one of the lowest barriers to entry for new creators. You don't need a massive following. You don't need to wait until you become an influencer. You just need to learn how to create content that brands want to use. So with UGC, brands are paying you to create videos for their marketing channels. So think things like TikTok ads, Instagram Reels, product demonstrations, testimonials, and so many more. But here's the thing. While I think UGC is one of the best foundations for building a creator business, it is still a service-based income stream. So you're trading your time and skills for money. And that's not a bad thing. That's actually how most businesses start. UGC teaches some of the most important skills that you would need as a creator, like how to make content that converts, how to work with brands, how to sell yourself, and how to run a business. But as we go through the other income streams, you'll see how creators can start layering additional revenue streams on top of UGC, so they're not just relying on creating one video for one payment. If UGC is something that you're interested in getting started with, I have a free 30-day roadmap to your first paid UGC deal linked below, along with additional UGC resources to help you start building your creator business. The second income stream I would focus on is brand deals. This is where brands pay you to feature their product or service on your own platforms, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other social channels. This is something that I've personally done mostly through my YouTube channel, and I think brand deals are a great way to add another layer of income as a creator. The biggest difference between UGC and brand deals is that with UGC, brands are paying you for your ability to create content. With brand deals, brands are paying for not only your ability to create content, but for your audience as well. Your audience is the value. So that means brand deals typically become more accessible as you build your personal brand and grow trust with the people who follow you. And this is why I even think, even if your main focus is UGC, it's still really important to start building your own audience at the same time. Because the skills you're learning through UGC, such as creating hooks, storytelling, filming, editing, understanding what makes people stop and watch, are the exact same skills that help you grow your own platforms. Then over time, you can start leveraging that audience into brand partnerships, which often pay more because you're not just creating content anymore. You're also providing distribution and influence. And this is where the 2 income streams can really work together. So UGC helps you build the skill and experience of working with brands. Building your personal brand helps you create an audience that brands want access to. And the goal isn't to necessarily become a massive influencer. You don't need millions of followers. You just need an audience that trusts you and is aligned with the brands that you want to work with. So if you're starting out, I wouldn't look at UGC and brand deals completely separately. I think the smartest creators build both at the same time, using UGC to generate income for today while building a personal brand that creates opportunities for tomorrow. The third income stream I would focus on is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product, service, or resource, and you earn a commission when someone purchases through your unique link. You've probably seen this everywhere, even if you didn't realize it. It can be something as simple as Amazon affiliate links, where a creator shares their favorite products, platforms like ShopMy, where lifestyle creators recommend products they use, or even digital products and courses where creators earn a commission by recommending educational resources. Personally, I think there's a lot of opportunity in affiliate marketing, especially with higher commission affiliate programs like software, tools, and educational products. For example, I'm currently an affiliate for StanStore, which is a platform that helps creators sell digital products, build their storefronts, and monetize their audience. If you want to try StanStore for yourself for 14 days for free, I have my affiliate link in the description below. And the reason I like software and digital products as an affiliate is because there is often more opportunity compared to physical products. So with physical products, companies have costs like manufacturing, inventory, and shipping, which can limit commission rates, and the rates are typically very low, especially on Amazon. Therefore, you need a lot of volume for those commissions to actually make sense. With software, platforms, and digital products, there is typically less overhead, which means companies can often offer higher commissions. So some programs even offer recurring commissions, meaning you can continue earning as long as someone someone remains a customer, just like Stan Store does. Affiliate courses are another example of this. So if you've taken a course that genuinely helped you get a result, recommending that resource can be a really great way to help your audience while earning a commission. And some offer as high as 80% commission, which honestly is very insane. The important thing is that affiliate marketing only works long term when there is trust. So you don't want to promote random products just because they pay well. You want to recommend things that you actually believe in and that will genuinely help your audience. And this is actually something that I'm looking to dive much deeper into this year. I'm currently building out my own affiliate strategy as we speak. So if you want more videos about affiliate marketing, finding affiliate opportunities, and how I'm building this income stream, let me know in the comments because I would love to make more content around it as well. The fourth income stream I would focus on is digital products. Digital products are honestly one of my favorite ways for creators to monetize because you're taking your knowledge, experience, or skills and turning them into something that can help other people. And this could be something as simple as an ebook, a guide, a template, a checklist, a resource library, or even a larger product like an online course. So for example, one of the digital products I created is my UGC Essentials Kit, which helps aspiring UGC creators with resources, templates, and tools to make starting their creator journey a lot easier. And the great thing about digital products is that you can create the resource once, and unlike a service-based business where you're constantly trading your time for money, a digital product has the ability to sell repeatedly without you having to recreate the same thing every time. Now, just to be clear, creating a successful digital product does take work. The hardest part isn't making the product, it's understanding your audience, knowing what problems they have, and creating something that actually helps them get a result. So this is why I think digital products work well later in your creator journey. So by this point, you've built the skills, you've worked with brands, grown an audience, and learned what people actually need. And for creators who want to take it even further, you can turn your knowledge into a course. Courses take more time and effort to create, but they also become one of the most scalable parts of a creative business because you build the curriculum once and can continue to sell it over time. The biggest opportunity with digital products is that you're no longer just monetizing your content, you're packaging your expertise into an asset that can grow with your business. And when you combine digital products with the other income streams we've talked about, that's where you start building a creative business that has multiple ways to generate revenue. So those are the four income streams I think every creator needs: UGC, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and digital products. This is how I would actually put all of this together if I was starting from zero in 2026. And I want to preface this by saying that I'm not here to tell you that there's only one way to build a creative business. Everyone's journey is going to look very, very different, and you should always choose the path that makes the most sense for your goals and your situation. But if I was starting from scratch today, this is the order that would make the most sense in my head, especially because I'd want to build something sustainable without trying to do everything at once and burning myself out. I think the biggest mistake creators make is trying to build all four income streams immediately. They want to grow an audience, they want to land brand deals, they want to start affiliate marketing and create digital products, and then launch a course all at the same time. But instead of building four things halfway, I would focus on building one strong foundation and then layering on the next opportunity as I go. I would start with UGC because it gives you the ability to generate income while developing the skills that you need as a creator. Then I would focus on building my personal brand and audience, which opens the door for brand deals. From there, I would add affiliate marketing by recommending products, tools, and resources that naturally align with my audience that I've built up. And finally, I would create digital products based on what I've learned and the problems I know that my audience needs help solving. So the goal isn't just to create four separate jobs. The goal is to build one creative business where each piece supports the next. I'm curious to hear from you. Which of these four income streams are you most interested in building? Is it UGC, brand deals, affiliate marketing, or digital products? Let me know in the comments. And if you did love this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video from me. Thanks so much for watching and keep building your dream.